pushed in all in this area. So I have the 3-part wheelhouse.
I stay putting in that work. Everything I get, I murk. You can tell by the way I walk, I ain't just talking about it. I stay putting in that work. Everything I get, I murk. You can tell by the way I walk, I ain't just talking about it. I stay putting in that work. I'm up in the morning, like 5 in the morning, I'm already on. So when you just getting out of the box, boy, I'm rounding the corner. This ain't a persona. I do this for real.
I'm down here in our aluminum shop. I have one of the newer F-150s, the aluminum bodied ones. This one has a small repair on the cab corner and the rear door, and then a bigger repair on the bed side. It's probably hard to see for you guys being white, but it's creased through here and pushed in all in this area. And then it's also getting the wheelhouse section. So I'm gonna go ahead and dive into this one, get it going. So I have the 3-part wheelhouse right here. I'm gonna go ahead and get that cut out and get that out of my way, and then I'll start working on this outside panel, repairing it. So these are glued, this inner wheelhouse is glued to the outer panel all through here, and they're it's a very strong bond, so you have to take a heat gun and get it nice and warm in order to get it to separate. Otherwise, I'll destroy the outer panel trying to get that off. So I'm going to temporarily just clamp this piece in place just to give this some structure, so this bedside's not moving around on me so much, because it's real flimsy without anything right here. Anytime you're trying to straighten aluminum, you have to heat it. It doesn't like to move without putting some heat to it. You don't have to get it super hot, but you want to warm it up, or otherwise you'll be pulling on it and beating on it and it won't move. Well, I fucked up on this one. Corey comes down here, and I'm working this aluminum panel, and he asked me what the hell I'm doing. And I said I'm repairing it. And he points to this, replace. I never saw that. I thought it was repair because we have another one that's just like this that is repair, and I had them mixed up. So now that I wasted about 45 minutes working on that, I'm going to go ahead and cut it off and start getting the new one on. Oops. So you guys can see here on this old bedside, they have sound deadening pads on each side. I have some generic ones here. I'm gonna stick on here. I'm gonna stick these on here. And they kind of just help the bedside from making like a metal type of noise, like a tinny noise when it's going down the road. They're just peel and stick, but you want to warm them up and it makes them stick a lot better. I am going to go ahead and roughly fit up this wheelhouse, get it in the right spot so I can get it riveted on. I'm gonna sit this bedside on just to make sure it's meeting up with that wheelhouse correctly. And it looks like it's meeting up nice and flush, just like we want it. The wheelhouse is rivet bonded on, so I'm drilling pilot holes for all my rivets. I'm gonna drill 1/4-inch holes for all the rivets that go across here from the inside. Alright, time to put this thing in there. Well, I got this wheelhouse all in. The inside of the bedside's painted. I gotta do a little prep work on that. These extensions, I generally put these in after the bedside's on. So I'll get the bedside on first. But I'm gonna let that glue dry, and that is a wrap for the day. I will talk to you guys tomorrow.